Hello. So let's talk about a few trading ideas this week. So the first one that I'm gonna show you here is Dell LL. This is not a new position for me. I have been trading from this area where you can see the arrow, and then I added again on this new arrow, and after that we saw a pullback. This is still very good. With this pullback, now I can trace a trend line using the lows, but also I can paint a trend line using the highs. And today we saw this breakout. Okay, so today I added to my position. It was on the opening. Something that I would like to see more is volume, but still we have this volume at this level that it was support, it was resistance, and now support on this area, and that's good enough for me. So I'm gonna be trading this. This is a long term. The options that I got, they are leaps, and I'm gonna be trading this as one of my AI chips strategy, something like that. So another one that I have is Micron technology, MU. In this one, I traded here before. It was very simple. I already explained what is behind my first trading. Here is a double bottom. I see this doji that with nice volume, that means rejection, and then I was buying here and I sold on the earnings. That was a killing, very good. And then after that, I have been waiting for this stock to settle. To tell you the truth, I wasn't expecting the stock to close the gap. I was expecting more like consolidation on this level, but it's okay. So now, last week, we saw this bottom, and then it has been consolidating in this range. And today we saw volume, a little bit of volume coming to the stock, and I started buying. This is also something that I gonna trade more for the long term. Okay, so Oracle, yeah, I have been adding on this range, and I sold it first because I needed I needed the money to add to other positions that I have, bigger position, like Nvidia, Tesla, and Meta. But after this reaction of this level, after I identified that it was trading in this range with this break, I got into a position. Yeah, I have to be in Oracle. This is not for the long term. It's more like a reaction. I'm gonna play the move, gonna sell, wait for a pullback, or maybe some kind of consolidation, and then I'm gonna assess the situation, and maybe I enter again. Okay, so now we have Chop, really nice stock too. I missed this completely. I also missed this pullback, so I was notified by my algo when this breakout happened, and then I didn't buy it right away. Actually, I bought 2 days ago, and it has been consolidating. Now I have been hesitant to buy just because. Let me show you the weekly. We're gonna have in the weekly this long-term resistance, but now thinking, I still have like from $81 to $90 range to trade. I gonna be on this trade if it continues moving up. Once it gets close to the resistance level, probably gonna close a little bit of my position. I'm gonna watch to see what's gonna happen. Maybe I close the whole position because I when this happen, when I have these strong levels or I have earning calls, if I'm in the position that I don't know what exactly is gonna happen, and my conviction is low, I prefer to take profit, look from outside, and assess, and because there is always time to re-entry. Okay, so I'm gonna be trading onto the 90s, that range. If I see a breakout, then I'm gonna enter for sure. So at this moment, this is kind of short term, and then if it breaks the 90 to 95 range, well, that could move really. Yeah, it can go up. Another one that I'm considering, well, actually no, in this one I have a position, but it's a small position, and I enter here when it broke this trend line. I'm seeing a good volume right now. The only thing that I don't like is the earnings is approaching, and I prefer to be out before that. So hopefully move before a little bit, and I can take profits. This is a BXP. Now I have CARR, CARR, that after moving up, how you can see, started trading sideways in a really good range, and then you have this candle that is overlapping the rest of the candle, and it's a green one with some volume, not good, but the point here is that this is a good range. I saw the breakout. I'm not in the position yet. Let's see what's going to happen. This is an idea still. I have pins. This is something else that I'm starting to like. Right there you have the support area. When he broke the resistance, it started consolidating. And now you have this trend line. It broke again. This is something that I like. It has been trading on the lows for the stock. I haven't decided yet what is going to be my action plan. For that reason, I'm still out. But this looks good. Pinterest. We also have WAB that is trading also in a range. I have some volume. I see some volume coming to the stock. I don't like that we have the earnings coming soon. But yeah, this is all still in my watch list as an idea. It looks good. Another one is this one. I like it because we have this resistance level after the gap for long term. Now we have this break up that volume is kind of close to the average. What I like about it is usually when we have this gap, the stock sometimes, well, usually they close the gap. So we still have this range to trade, and that could be, yeah, it could be a good profit if the stock holds this level. Oh, and then we have CrowdStrike. This could be a good stock, probably for the mid long term. The only thing that I don't like is it's too expensive. Option here is gonna be crazy expensive, and I already have my crazy position open with other stocks. But yeah, it's something good to track. At least it's gonna give me an idea how this particular industry is trading. So, well, this is what I have.